Okay, so today I'm going to showcase you guys one of the best SMP plugins now for your Minecraft server. It's actually quite cheap, it's like €5, something like that. So, okay, so the first thing you want to set up is /SMP settings. And here you can set up basically any global server rule you want. So like locator bar on off, infinite villager restock, one player sleep, death ban, so you can set ban after death or spectator after death. Like mace settings, so one time craft of a mace, ban the mace, or if mace stuns the shield, so these are quite actually like good settings. Ban bed bombing, you can ban basically every specific enchant you want. So basically if I go to fire aspect, I can ban the exact level of that enchant, or I can just ban like every enchant. So yeah. If we head on to like anti minimap, so if you have Xero's minimap or Lunar Client minimap, then you can set it to on. And now basically if I enable like minimap on my client, it doesn't work, yeah? So that's how it works, but if I put it to off, then I can use it, yeah? So yeah, that's how it works. Also we have Lunar Client mods. If we open this, then you can disable or enable any Lunar Client mod you want. So for instance, I have FPS now, yeah, enabled. I can literally just disable it, yeah, and it's disabled, which is so good if you want to disable, let's say, waypoint or something like that. Yeah, there's literally like everything here, like even zoom or like tab or stopwatch. Yeah, there's so much. Then we have like a crystal damage limiter where you can limit the damage for crystals. Also we have like anti-X-ray, yeah, so you can set up it to on, and then you can set the type of anti-X-ray, yeah, high doors, obfuscate, yeah. Then we have combat rules, and you can enable or disable the combat system. That basically does that when you hit a player, then it starts the combat timer. Combat lock punishment, so when you leave the server when you are in combat, it can either kill you or it doesn't do anything. Then the combat timer, you can set up where it will show, in the boss bar or in the action bar. Then the combat duration, so how long will the combat timer be. Then ban Riptide in combat. The minimum damage to tag means basically if I, let's say for instance I put 5. If I give the player less than 5 damage, then it won't start the combat system. So it won't combat tag him. And then we have ban Elytra while combat. So yes, this is like basically not all of the like SMP settings, but yeah, you have like ban tip arrow and you can ban the specific arrow. Okay, so next up we have admin commands. So we have a full list of admin commands which you can look at our wiki. I will put that in the description of the video, but for now I'm just gonna like show the basic admin commands. So of course we have /vanish. It basically, yes, it shows the join leave message that you have left, but in reality, you're vanished, yeah? Also, it doesn't show in like in the servers tab and how many people are online, yes? So now it says that 0 people are online. You have /vanish settings, where you can set silent footsteps, so if other players are near you, then they can't hear the footsteps, yeah? Silent chest, so basically when I use a chest or a shulker, then yeah, they don't have this like animation. Then you have night vision and item pickup. So yes, this vanish system is quite advanced. Then we have of course /heal, you can either put like the player's name or like all players, and the same for /feed. Then we have /inv where you can look at the player's inventory. Was great. If I open my alt account, okay, so I joined with my alt account, so so here he is. Basically what I can do is I can take his items, and now he doesn't have it, and when I put it like this, then he has it. Yeah, so it's like a basic in the C system. Then we have /broadcast, yeah, so you can broadcast a message. /cmd spy does basically what it says, so basically it shows you every command that's being passed to the server. So if on my alt I use /spawn, then it shows that I use /spawn. And then we have /glow, and we put the like glow effect we want to have. So I want to have, for instance, blue, and it gives me the blue glow effect, and then I just do reset. And now we also have an AFK zone system built in directly in the plugin. So what you do is you type AFK zone want, you select two areas, so let's say this and this. I do /AFK zone create and the name, so let's do test. Now it shows like this border around the AFK zone. I do AFK zone editor, and here it is. It even shows like the players, so you see like players 1, which is good. And here I can edit everything about the AFK zone. Next up we have ban system, which we also have like a built-in ban list website. So when we go to the settings and we go to ban system config, and here I set up the website. So I'm on localhost, so I just report here, and I do ban system reload, and then I go to that website. Then it shows like this basic like website. So if I ban my alt account, let's say ban, okay, now it shows that I'm banned, and then I reload, it shows the player here. Yeah, so that's like a feature in the ban system. There's also like a mute system, yeah. So wait, if I unban my alt account and I join, I give myself a sign, so give devx sign, oak sign. Let's go, and I mute my alt. Let's go. And then I try to type, then it doesn't like type because I'm muted. So yes, that's like another cool feature. Next up we have battle pass. So for battle pass /BP, you have like your level, your quests, daily quests or monthly quests. You can basically do these quests and then you earn XP and then the tiers. Yes, so you have over 70 already made tiers, what's great, and you can configure all of this. So here's a premium reward. I have it because I have OP, but when I claim this I get like the coins and the golden apples. Then we have Bilford, that's like Bilford, yeah, so /Bilford, and you can do a stick and a coal for torches, and then you can craft it. Then you have like the boss bar configuration. So when we go to boss bar and you go to config, then basically you can add like any boss bars you want. So let's say only for this welcome I want to use it only for the world named world. Yeah, so then I can even set the permission. I can change like the text, and then I want to create another boss bar only for one specific world. So let's say Nether, and I world, but yeah, okay, so this is the Nether, and then I set this to welcome to the Nether. Now when I do /boss bar reload and I do mvtp world Nether, then it says welcome to the Nether. We also have bounty systems, so /bounty. it shows like this bounty GUI. You can do slash bounty player add player and the amount. So I have only 250 money, so I have to do 250. So yes, and now it shows the head, and now when someone kills him, he gets the money. We also have like a chat system, yes. Then we have a coin system that's like economy, but like tokens. So let's first cover the economy system. So slash money, give, reload, set, take. Give, so I can give myself like 10k, and I have 10k. Or I can do it like in numbers, so 10, 1, 2, 3, 10,000, yeah? I can take my money, so take my name 10 money, yeah? Or set, and I can set it to only 10. And the same commands are for the coins, so coins give 10k, yes, and I have and now I have 10k coins, so yes. We also have a crate system, yes. This SMP plugin even has crates. So what you do, let's just put a chest here. Slash crates create test. Slash crates editor. Oh, well, I already have a crate here. Okay, so I place a crate by using right click. And now it's here, yes, it says test, right click to preview, your key is 0. When I right click, it previews it. When I do crates editor, I can edit like all of this, like even the hologram. Yes, so I can add a reward here. So basically I just place it here, yes. And you don't need to change like the chance, because like when I use slash crates key give my name test 1, then I get like the key, but it's virtual. So basically I don't have like the physical key in my hand, but like when I right click, I can select the reward. Yeah, so I can select any reward I want. So I want this, confirm, and I have it. Yeah, then cooldown for crates, particle color, so I can choose a color. Now it's different. So yeah, that's the crate system. Next up we have duels, so slash duel. You see all the players online. There's also like this mini leaderboard for most duel wins. Let's say I want to duel my alt account, so I confirm it. Then I have to accept, yes, and now it starts teleporting. Okay, now the duel has started, and now you just PvP. You have 10 minutes, and then you get kicked from the duel automatically. So yeah, I'm just gonna kill my alt. Nice, and I won. GG's. Then we have slash homes, of course. So slash home, you give it GUI, you can set like the home. Yes, let's go. Then I want to teleport. Then it teleports me there after the cooldown. You can configure this cooldown to how much seconds you want, and you can also delete the home. Then we have a leaderboard system. So the plugin already has like a pre-made leaderboard system. When you do slash hologram create, and let's do top devs, now it shows the top devs, top money, top playtime even, and like top yes, so there's a lot of them. So they're already pre-made, and you can also make your custom hologram. So slash hologram edit, slash hologram create test 1. Okay, it already exists. Let's do test 56 for example. Here's the hologram, slash hologram edit test set line 1. Let's do like random, or we can remove a line. Nice, and now we have this. We can also do like a billboard, so we can do fixed, and now we have to rotate it, and so now it's like fixed to one side. We can also do a text alignment, let's do left or right, but like when we have, let's do set line 2. Let's put like random text here. Then you see that it's aligned to the right. When we align it to the left, then it's left. but center is default. Then we also have scale, so it just is bigger. We have thick shadow, true or false. I prefer thick shadow true because it's then like hard to read, you know. Yeah, it's basically invisible. So yes. Then we have background. I love this color, so I'm just gonna put it here. And now this is the background, and I can also set the opacity. So let's put 0.2. Okay, it's like kind of. Let's put it 0 to 0.5. Okay, that's quite good. So yes, you can even change the opacity of the background. Next up, we have magic items. Let's say we have here an auto spell pickaxe, trench pickaxe, trench shovel, and vein miner pickaxe. So here it is, and I can mine with a trench pickaxe. So basically, in a 3x3 area. So now we just go down. And we mine down. So basic stuff, yeah. Also we have an auto smelt pickaxe, so when I find like an ore that needs to be smelted, like iron, then it auto smelts. Wait, I have, okay, nice, yes, and it also, nice. We also have a trench shovel, which does the same as trench pickaxe, but it, yes. We also have a vein miner pickaxe, so when we go to like some ore, let's say we have copper here, and when I mine it, it mines the whole vein. Then you can also edit the MOTD of the server, so motd.yml, and you can edit it here, and you can also use center to center the MOTD. You can do /motd reload or /motd, which shows the MOTD, the current one. Then we have an order system, so you can create an order by going to your orders, create order, and then you can set the price, let's say 10 for one item, amount, let's say 100, item, I want to, let's put bamboo, and then confirm. Oh wait, I need 1,010, okay, money, give 10 million, okay, now I'm rich. So create order, 10, 100, and bamboo, create. So now I created my order, as you see here, and when I, let's say I have my ord, so I give my ord a bamboo 100, then I do /orders, I can put the bamboo here, and now yes, and I get $360. So yes, that works. We also have player commands, so /ender chest. So because I have OP, I have a max size of an ender chest, and it also works like when I have a normal ender chest. Yes, so yes, here it is. Then /tpa, yeah, of course. Also, there's like you can see like VIP commands, so /craft, /smithing, /anvil. And then of course /hat. /report, I'm just gonna say this quick, but /report, you can report a player for anything you want, so just test. Now when I'm an admin, I do /report list, and it shows like the report, you can handle it, so it says handle, and then you can right click to delete it. There's also like a webhook editor, /RTP, you already have a pre-made GUI menu which you can edit in the RTP configuration, and you just teleport to the world. Yeah, it's quite basic stuff. /sell, so let's say you, and I have survival, so I mine up some items, and yes, it says like the worth, like the amount of the dirt, like what it cost. Yeah, so now I have 8, and when I do /sell, it sells it for $8. And I can do /worth, and it shows all the items which I can sell, yeah, from highest price, lowest, and alphabetical order. You can also edit, like you go to sell, and you can edit like all of the sell items, yes. /settings, you can set the settings for your for yourself. So global chat on, like scoreboard off. Here's team chat, totem particles, TPA requests. There's like so much of it. And when you have OP or you're an admin, then you can do /settings, like the player name, and you can edit their settings. So when I put on the scoreboard, then the scoreboard doesn't show. Then we have /shop. You can edit all of this if you want. This is just like the default categories, but when you go to shop, then you can edit it fully here. And you can also do, let's say I have sword and I do /enchant, let's do sharpness 5, and then I can do /shop add the category name, and then it got added. So when I do /shop, then it's right here, and I can basically buy it, and then I can edit the price in the category. Yeah, so when I go down here, I can edit like sharpness, like the buy price. Yes, so all of this works. /spawn, you can basically set the spawn, so /set spawn. Then when I do /spawn, that's just basic stuff. /del spawn, and you can delete the spawn, and then notice it. Yeah. We have also a spawner system, so /give spawner my name Blaze, for example, and when I place it, it shows like this text display, the storage, and when I right click, it shows like the info, sell or loot. So when you have loot here, when this cross is like all green, then you get some loot here, or you can take all the loot. Yeah, so that's how it works. Okay, let's wait until this. Yes, so now it gave me a blaze rod, and I can sell it. Yeah, and now it's sold. You can pick this up with Silk Touch, so when you have Silk Touch, then you can mine the spawner up. We have a tab system, tab and scoreboard, like you see here. So yes, this works. You can edit all of this in the tab config and scoreboard.yml. Then we have tag system, so when you do /tags, there are already like pre-made tags here. But when I do /tag create test, and yes, the ID, and then the display, so let's say /k, just random letters. So now when I do /tags, it shows it here. I'm the owner, so SMP underscore tag. I go chat reload, I set the tag, then I have a tag builder. Or okay, just remember to put R here so it resets. Yes, please. Okay, like this. And then I do chat reload, and yes, it works. You can also select the permission, all of that stuff. You can go to tags, config, and you can set all of this like here, like the permission and all that stuff. Then we have team, so /team. /team create a name. Let's say subscribe. You're already in it. Okay, so I already have a team, so let's do just team delete test. Nice, and it costs 10,000. You can edit the price if you want. Now we go team admin is for admins, and you can chat spy team chat, delete the team, silent join a team, kick someone from a team, and also reload the configuration. You can set the home for the team, so team home. Now we get teleported. Also we have like invite, so I can invite a player. Now I get invited and I join the team. I can do /team chat, and now leave. Well, I can't leave my own team. We also have warps, so /set warp test /warp test warps.yml, and I can set it all here. Like, well, I can change the icon, because like when I do /warps, then it shows all the warps here. Yeah? Then we also have tebeg's message. Tebeg's message does basically, when I do it, then you can pair this like with your tebeg's shop, and then when someone buys VIP, you can execute this command with automatically tebeg's. And then let's say I bought VIP for $3.99. You can use like username, of course, when you're on tebeg's. And then you have the package, so VIP, $3.99. 3, 2, 1. Wow, and I bought VIP. And then we have anti-cheat, but let's say anti-cheat GUI. It shows all the violations, like I have this random violation. And it shows like what I violated. And the flag. And then it also shows like the cheating probability, like what's the percentage of chance like I might be cheating, yes? Okay, so this is all of nearly all of it, because there's like so many things, but you can check the documentation. You can also join our Discord server where I individually like showcase the plugin if you want on a demo server. So yes, so that's all, and bye.